Hello again and welcome to your YouTube channel at Dr. Jasmine. Today is the 6th program of our CAAPID program application requirements. It's Indiana University School of Dentistry. A legal disclaimer, this video is for informational purpose only. I do my best to go online on several websites to get you as detailed information and accurate information as possible, but I have a sincere request. Please make sure when you're applying for any program, kindly double check the CAAPID website and the school website for any new details and updates. The program is called Indiana University School of Dentistry. It is located in Indianapolis, Indiana. The degree awarded is a DDS. The website is dentistry.iu.edu. The program start date is January 5th, 2026. The program length is about 30 months and the program size is an estimated 16 students that the school accepts. The application opened on March 6, 2025 and the application deadline is May 17, 2025. The school does require a supplemental application and there is a supplemental application fee. The admission requirements are that the school requires INBDE 1 and 2 or INBDE, TOEFL minimum score of 100, my best scores or sum of highest score is not accepted. No requirement for GRE or ADAT. There will be a bench test and the official transcripts should be evaluated through ECE. This is the only educational service that the school accepts. The school is requesting 2 letters of evaluation. One letter should be from a US or Canadian dental professional with whom you have worked in the past 12 months, and the other letter from a US or Canadian organization for community service that you've performed within the past 12 months. The school is not explicitly asking for a letter of evaluation from the dean, and by community service, what the program means is you've assisted or worked without pay through a non-profit organization which benefited the community. Please go to the CAAPID website for details about what are the requirements for the letter of evaluation. The school is very specific that it should be on the official letterhead of the organization. It should include the evaluator's mailing address, their phone number, their email address, signature, and it should be written within 12 months of your application's submission date. If the letters do not meet these criteria, it will not be accepted. So once again, please make sure you visit the CAAPID website. The link to that is given in our description box. The school does sponsor a visa and green card holders and citizens are welcome to apply. Here is a link to the program finder, CAAPID programs. This is the link to the application. All these links are there in our description box. If you need any further or additional information, please leave us a comment. And thank you so much for showering all the love on us. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. The channel is youtube.com/Dr. Jasmine. And please join us on Facebook for daily updates. It's Dr. Jasmine DMD. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. And we'll see you soon. Take care.